Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download offline Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to download offline Google Maps on your phone, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon over here for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the offline maps option available for us over here just above the add your business. Tap on offline maps, and over here you can see it says to use map offline. Start by downloading a map, then you'll be able to search and get further directions offline with that map. So you can see here it says to select your own map. Tap on select your own map, and it will show you a location over here of which you want to download the map. For example, I'll be downloading this range of map over here, and after selecting your range of the map, tap on download, and that map will be downloaded on your phone, and you will be able to use Google Maps even offline. So with that maps to be downloaded on your Google Maps, you can see 20% has been downloaded as the bottom of the screen, and you'll be required to wait for all of it to be downloaded on your phone before you can use it offline. And you can see, guys, the map has been downloaded for us offline, and when you tap on it, you can see you can also update it. But later on, guys, you will be able to use your maps offline on this area even if you're online. And that being said, guys, you can normally use your offline maps as you use the online maps. It will be that simple, but the only separation or the only difference is that even though you're offline, you will be able to use that map similar the way you will be able to use the map online. But out of the range, that map will have some dysfunctionality if you are offline. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download Google Maps offline. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.